try to see how they can get more sponsors.
This year's National Teachers Training College's ball games came to an end at Asumbi Teachers Training College, with Western Region emerging the overall winners, followed by Nyanza. Chess was introduced for the first time in the games, with newly created region Northeastern given a slot as a full region.
Our championship again has been split, unlike last year when we had the Olympic model, when we used to have both ball games and athletics following one another. That was not possible. We discontinued that because of logistical issues and also because of the fatigue that we witnessed in our players and also in the organization of the championship.
Our trainees have really demonstrated a lot of competence. They have a lot of skills and talents.
This year has been a great success, and I want to appreciate the members of the technical team for ensuring that all the protocols were observed and that Asumbi Teachers College has offered us a ground in which we have been able to nurture the talents in our teacher trainees.
With over 2,000 participants, this is one of the ways in which we nurture the potential of the learners, especially in the pathway of sports.
Well, that is all your sport for now. So let's take a look once more at what you will be reading in